How to save Instagram draft reels in gallery without posting. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can save your Instagram draft reels in your gallery without posting it. For this, at first you have to launch the very Instagram application on your device. You have to find the very Instagram application and then tap on it. After tapping on Instagram, it will be launched on your very device. After Instagram is launched on your very device, now you have to go to the next icon. That is, you have to go to your profile like icon on the downside. After you go to your profile like icon on the downside, now you have to tap on the draft reels that you have. You have to go to one of the draft reels that you would like to edit on. Now after you tap on the draft reels like this, now what you have to do is you have to go to the option of edit here. After tapping on the option of edit, now it will take you to an interface like this here. Now after it takes you to an interface like this here, what you can do is you have to tap on it for like this for a while. After you tap on it for a while, on the top portion you can see the option of save here. Now you have to tap on this very icon of saving or downloading. This way your reel will be downloaded and saved on your very gallery. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.